For all your trimming needs, this pack includes one replacement blade for face or body, one skin guard, and one body comb. Use the click-on skin guard for extra protection on sensitive areas. The body comb, 3 mm, can be used for speedy trimming on larger areas. Each replacement blade lasts up to 4 months. For best shaving experience. Based on 2 full shaves on face per week. Actual results may vary. OneBlade replacement blades fit on all OneBlade face plus body and OneBlade Pro handles. Top reviews from the United States. Works great for sensitive areas. The original blade with no guard was clipping my balls and giving me cuts. Yikes. Then I got this sensitive area skin guard and no more cutting skin on my nuts. I even purposely was not being gentle or careful to see if it would clip my skin and it didn't. The only downside is that I have to go over the area a few times to get all the hair. But I'm willing to deal with multiple passes with a trimmer and in return not getting my balls and shaft all cut up.